Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making some Smirnoff honey hot wings. I was drinking these Smirnoffs all week, y'all. I had one left. I said, listen, I'm about to make some wings. You're going to need some salt, some honey. That's my Smirnoff right there. Some Red Hot Original Franks and some Spicy Girl, which is my spice. However, you can season it however you want to. So basically the idea here is I'm going to do equal parts Smirnoff to hot sauce and then half of that in honey. And to me, in my opinion, it's going to balance out. Again, you can season this however you prefer, but I'm moving. All I got is Spicy Girl and it is what it is. So you want to add your honey, your hot sauce, your Smirnoff, salt, and Spicy Girl. Put it on the stove and bring it to a simmer until it thickens. You want to reduce this by half. These are my wings. I'm definitely going to fry them. However, you can do whatever. You can put them in your air fryer or you can bake them. And all I have on there is salt and pepper. This is the sauce off the stove. Add a couple tablespoons of butter. Leave it and that's it. Add right at the end, off the stove, add the butter. And that's going to make it nice and silky and shiny. As I said before, I'm moving, so I'm just using whatever I have in the house. I decided to not bread my wings. These are what they ended up looking like. They're crispy and they cooked all the way through. They're just not all the way dark. If you want your wings darker, then you could continue to fry yours. But these were cooked and I didn't want to overcook them, so I stopped right here. I tested with my thermometer and they are cooked. So then you want to take your sauce and baby, first of all, y'all, this sauce, now you don't taste Smirnoff, but you taste a lot of flavor. Like the sauce is so flavorful. I love it. It's not overly sweet. It's not overly spicy. It's just flavor on top of flavor. So you want to put all your sauce or most of your sauce to coat your wings. Ooh, child, I'm getting hungry again. And you want to mix it up just like this. I'm going to plate it up, let you guys see what it looks like. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. These wings are super easy and simple. Again, you have wiggle room to do it however you want to, but I really wish someone would try this sauce. It's ridiculously good. And I know y'all like flats. Who want that flat right there? Y'all, look at this chicken. Oh my God. At least one person give this sauce a try. Comment below and let me know what you think, because this is insane. Insane.